Hello, good morning, my dear children. Welcome to today's class 3, subject English, topic A Little Fish Story. Today we are going to learn word meaning, make sentences, explanation of the story, and question answer, and at last you'll have your talk time to describe yourself as a little fish. So let's watch the video and learn with fun. So dear children, now come to explanation of the story line by line. Listen carefully and understand properly. There are great many million fish in the seas. समंदर में लाखों मछलियाँ थे. But this story is about just one of them. लेकिन यह स्टोरी उन लाखों मछली में से एक मछली की है. And a very small one at that. सबसे छोटा मछली उनमें से जो था उसकी कहानी है ये. Now this little fish had everything in the seas to make him contented. इस मछली छोटी मछली के लिए समंदर में सारा चीज मौजूद था जो उसको संतुष्ट करके रख सकता था, खुश करके रख सकता था. बट ही वॉज नॉट हैप्पी. लेकिन वो खुश नहीं था. यू विल लाफ व्हेन आई टेल यू व्हाई ही वॉज नॉट. आप हंसेंगे कि वो क्यों खुश नहीं था अगर मैं बताऊंगा तो. ही वॉज अनहैप्पी बिकॉज ही वॉज सो वेरी स्मॉल. वो दुखी था, ना खुश था क्योंकि बहुत छोटा था. इट इज़ वेरी हार्ड टू बी सच ए लिटिल माइट ऑफ ए फिश. ये बहुत ही कठिनाई होती है कि उनमें से सारे मछलियों में से एक छोटा मछली होना. ही वुड से ओवर एंड ओवर अगेन. वो कहा करता था बार बार, इफ़ आई वेर ओनली लार्जर हाउ मच हैप्पियर आई कुड बी. अगर मैं एक बड़ा मछली होता तो मैं कितना खुश होता. ही सेड इट सो मेनी टाइम्स दैट आई थिंक ही बिलीव्ड इट. वो इसको इतना बार कहता था कि लगता था कि वो विश्वास कर चुका है कि वो एक बड़ा मछली बन जाए. One day he was swimming along with the rest of his school and thinking. एक दिन वो अपने मछलियों के झुंड के साथ तैर रहा था, सोच रहा था. No doubt how much more the larger fish have to be thankful for than he. वो सोच रहा था कि बड़ी मछली कितने खुश होंगे, कितने धन्य होंगे जब वो बड़े मछली हैं. When suddenly, with no warning, they found themselves the meshes of a great net. बिना चेतावनी के वो एक जाल में फंसे हुए पाए गए. There were much floundering and splashing as the net was drawn up out of the water into the sunlight. और जब वो जाल ऊपर की तरफ खींचा गया तो सारे मछली उस जाल की मेस से निकलने के लिए कोशिश कर रहे थे और छपाक की आवाज़ आ रही थी. एंड जस्ट एज इट्स हाउल वाज बीइंग एम्प्टाइड इनटू द बोट. और वो जाल ऊपर की तरफ खींचा जा रहा था कि किस तरह वो बोट में जाके उसको मछली को खाली करेंगे जाल से. द स्मॉलेस्ट फिश इन द स्कूल रिगल्ड through the maze and slipped back into the cool clear water. लेकिन जो छोटी मछली थी वो जाल से निकल गई और जाके उस समंदर के साफ ठंडे पानी में फिर से चली गई। हाउ गुड इट फेल, और कितना अच्छा महसूस किया होगा। He swam here and there and everywhere, and some of the fish who knew him well all the rest of his life. और वो इतना खुश था कि इधर उधर तैरने लगा, इधर उधर घूमने लगा, सभी जगह घूमने लगा, तैरने लगा। और जो मछली उस मछली को जानते थे, इसके बाद उन्होंने said that they never again heard him say that he wished to be anything but a little fish. बाकी सभी मछली कभी उसके मुंह से नहीं सुने कि वो एक बड़ा मछली बनना चाहता है, और वो छोटी मछली के हिसाब से खुश था और धन्यवाद दे रहा था कि वो एक छोटी मछली है। So dear children, this is a beautiful story, and the message from the story we get, that is, we should be happy what we really are. Okay, we have not to wish more. So आप जो हैं उसी में खुश रहें, आप जैसे हैं उसी में खुश रहें, उसी में हमारी भलाई है। तो ये जो स्टोरी, द स्टोरी एज रिटन एनोस बी कमस्टॉक। ओके, सो दिस इज द मैसेज एंड लर्न फ्रॉम दिस लिटिल फिश। आप जैसे भी हैं ऐसे रहें, जैसे भी हैं खुश रहें। Now come to word meaning. Here many words are there whose meaning we have to learn, and we have to learn the meaning of the words. And dear children, you should know how to use the dictionary to find out the meaning of the words. You must have your pocket dictionary or any dictionary at your home, and use your dictionary to find out the meaning of the word. So here let's start how to find out the meaning. What is the meaning of the words, one by one. So our first word is millions. millions. Millions, a product of thousand and thousand, means thousand into thousand, जितना होगा that is millions, लाखों। Millions means a product of thousand and thousand. Example sentence, you can make sentence using the word millions. I have heard this song a million times. I have heard this song a million times. So this is the model sentence, and you can use the words and you can make your own sentence. Now come to next word, that is contented. Contented, it means satisfied, santusht. Satisfied, santusht, santusht hona. So example sentence, the little fish was contented after escaping from the net. The little fish was contented after escaping from the net. Next word is mite. M-I-T-E, mite. Yes, a tiny creature. A tiny creature, सबसे छोटा जीव. As a little mite of fish, it was unhappy. As a little mite of fish, it was unhappy. This is the sentence. Next is floundering. Floundering, it means struggling mentally in water to come out of something. Floundering means struggling mentally in water to come out of something. निकलने के लिए कोशिश करना, किसी चीज के अंदर फंसे हुए हैं उसके अंदर से निकलने के लिए कोशिश करना, So example sentence, the fish was floundering in the fisherman's net. The fish was floundering in the fisherman's net. Meshes, M-E-S-H-E-S, meshes. Meshes means a network of wire or thread to catch hold of something. A network of wire or thread to catch hold of something. Here you can see the picture of a net. In the net you have given a rectangular shape. These rectangular shape are called as meshes. So make sentence. The fishes got caught in meshes of a net. The fishes got caught in meshes of a net. Okay. Our next word is howl. H-A-U-L, howl. To pull with effort. ताकत लगा के खींचना. To pull with effort. ताकत लगा के खींचना. Example sentence. The fisherman hauled the net from the water. The fisherman hauled the net from the water. Next word, splashing. S-P-L-A-S-H-I-N-G, splashing. Sound made by something falling into any liquid. Here also you can see the picture. The picture is explaining the word splashing. झपक की आवाज आना, छपक की आवाज आना, sound from the water, sound from the liquid when something falls. Sentence. The fish is splashing in the fresh water. The fish is splashing in the fresh water. Next word is emptied. E-M-P-T-I-E-D, emptied. It means to remove its contents. खाली करना, हटाना. To remove its contents. For example, the fisherman emptied the net. You can see here the picture. They are doing the activity, doing the work, and they are explaining the word emptied. Next word is wriggled. W-R-I-G-G-L-E-D, wriggled. It means twist and turn movement. Twist and turn movement. इधर उधर करके चलना. ये here you have given some picture, and the fishes in the seas are wriggled. Twist and turn movement. For example, the rainbow fish wriggled with his friends. Here is one fish. Its name is rainbow fish. The rainbow fish wriggled with his friends. Our last word is warning. W-A-R-N-I-N-G, warning. Warning means an advice on a serious note given in advance. चेतावनी. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ होता है चेतावनी. So example sentence. The fisherman caught the fishes without warning. The fisherman caught the fishes without warning. Now come to question answer. So dear children, I hope you understood the story, understood the lesson, word meaning, and you can use the words to make your own sentence. So let's answer the question answer, that is reading is fun. Question number 1. How many fish are there in the sea? How many fish are there in the sea? Okay. Can you answer? Okay, very good. So answer is there are a million fish in the sea. Answer is there are a million fish in the sea. Question number 2. Why was the little fish unhappy? Why was the little fish unhappy? Answer. The little fish was unhappy because he was so very small. The little fish was unhappy because he was so very small. Come to question number 3. What happened to the fish one day? What happened to the fish one day? Your answer is one day the fish found himself in a mess of a net without warning. One day the fish found himself in a mess of a net without warning. Now come to question number 4, last one. Why was the fish thankful to be a little fish? Why was the fish thankful to be a little fish? Answer. The fish was thankful to be a little fish as he was able to come out of the messes of the net because of its small size. The fish was thankful to a little fish as he was able to come out of the messes of the net because of its small size. So dear children, these are the questions and answer, and you have to learn the question answer properly and you have to note it down in your notebook. Now come to next part, that is talk time, creative time. Okay, so imagine you are a little fish. Describe what you might see around you. This is a creative question. Imagine you are a little fish. Describe what you might see around you. So you have to imagine yourself that you are a little fish and you have to describe the condition and surrounding, what you are seeing around yourself. Okay. So here a description have been given of a little fish and you can learn it and you can make your own paragraph. So let's see the description of a little fish. If I would be a little fish, I might see water everywhere, colorful plants floating around me. I have lots of color fish friends. There are also big fishes. There are several boats sailing on the water. Several fishermen are coming towards us with their big nets. I am very little, so everything so big to me. So this is the description of a little fish. And you have to describe yourself as a little fish. You have to write your feeling, imagination with your own sentences. Okay. So dear children, thank you for attending the class, watching the video, and I hope you have learned with fun all the content of this story, word meaning, mixed sentences, question answer, and talk time. So thank you. See you in next part. Bye bye.